Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Jianfeng from Nanjing University. My topic is a strategy of international office and internationalization of Nanjing University. It contains four parts, and the first one is some introduction and the basic data of Nanjing University. Nanjing University can originate from the two universities. One is Sanjiang Normal School, and this university then grew into a national central university. And this university had ranked the top 50 at that time in the world. And another source is the University of Nanjing, which is a United States Church University. And we now have three campuses. The Gulu is in the downtown of Nanjing, and the others are in the suburbs. And also the Shanling campus will be our main campus. These are the basic data. We now have over 32,000 full-time students, and about 10% are the international students. And the students from South Korea, United States, and Malaysia rank the top 3. And also we have over 22,000 full-time faculty, including 133 international faculty members. And also we invited 56 international honorary professors, including 22 Nobel laureates. And also in 2014, the Nature Publishing House put forward a ranking about the Nature Index. Nanjing University ranks 38 in the world for its highest rank of Nanjing University. So I must indicate here for you. And also last year we have 13 subjects at top 1% of ESI. And till now we have about over 280 partners, and also among them about 50 world first-class universities. And also we offer many programs for international students. Over 30% undergraduate students, they have chances to study abroad during their 4 years stay in Nanjing University at present. And we focus on establishing joint centers. For example, the Johns Hopkins University Nanjing University Center. It was driven by the president of the United States, the old George Bush. At that time, he was vice president of the United States. And also this program was approved by 4 vice prime minister of the central government at that time. And also the Sino-German Institute for Law Studies. And also we have now 9 Confucius Institutes. Among them 4 are in Europe and 3 in North America. And also the only one in the capital of the United States. And also we, in order to promote Nanjing University international reputation and academic impact, we hold the Nanjing University Week in Europe, in Taiwan, and in North America. And also recruiting the world top professors are one of the most vital things to our university. These are 2 examples. In 2013, Professor Leclerc, the Nobel laureate for literature, was invited as our director, and then offers complete undergraduate courses each autumn semester. And in 2011, Professor Aaron was invited as the director of the Institute of Chemistry and biomedical sciences. The second part is the profile of our international office. The office, it has been one part of the president's office and then separates. And now our functions mainly including raise awareness and activate international campus atmosphere and promote international cooperation and strengthen the internationalization of students, faculty members, management, academic subjects, and research. And to raise the awareness of university internationalization, to make Nanjing University among the earliest international university in mainland China. Especially in 1937, our president put forward the strategy, being comprehensive, research-oriented, and internationalized. It may be the first university internationalization strategy in mainland China. And to activate international campus atmosphere, we are now focused on activity. The name is Nanjing University International Academic Week with our partners, and first with UK partners and then with French partners. And this year we will cooperate with Johns Hopkins University. And to promote international cooperation, to us especially, we focus on establishing the strategic partnership with the world first-class university. For example, recently the University of Tokyo select 20 strategic partnership in the world and 2 universities in China, including Nanjing University. And also we actively participate in the organizations such as APRU, IRU, and AC21st. And at present, our president serves as the chairman of IRU, and also to strengthen the internationalization. And our office now is comprised of 7 sections. Each section has a different responsibility. The third part is our functions essential to our internationalization. We have 4 sections responsible for the internationalization of students. To us, the internationalization of students are the most important. We need to cultivate students with international vision and excellent international communication ability, especially to develop more programs for the students to take part in the international programs. We are now 168 long-term programs and about 50 short-term programs. And also there are some featured programs, such as the Erasmus, the Mundus, Lotus, and so on. I think many universities here have such kind of programs. And also we support the undergraduate and graduate students go abroad for a visit. We will give them some financial aid. And also we set foundation to support students to participate in the world first-class universities summer school and also some conferences. And also according to the president's plan, we need to ensure over 30% undergraduate students have chances to have a long-term exchange opportunities, and over 20% have short-term exchange opportunities. And also we need to develop undergraduate degree programs, such as with Stony Brook, the University of Waterloo, and Southampton. And also we attract international students for degree study at Nanjing University. We set up 9 scholarships to attract international students, including the Nanjing University Scholarship for international students. It has been announced to the Johns Hopkins University, Brown, UC Berkeley, and Göttingen and Waterloo. And also we need to take more foreign languages taught courses. And we now have the intensive and e-course clusters with the support of our partners. For example, the intensive lectures jointly with the University of Tokyo since 2006. And also we have some school for the students of UT since 2013. And also we have the e-school program with Korea University. At the same time, we emphasize on take the double degree programs for the master program, such as with the Johns Hopkins, the University of Göttingen, and Free University of Berlin, and the Southampton, Melbourne, and Salford. On the internationalization of faculty members, we have 3 sections responsible for it. And to build a faculty team with advanced research and international dialogue ability, we have over 10 university-level young scholar programs to support them to go abroad for over 1 semester or 1 year. And also the Office of Human Resources, they have the peak client plan for young outstanding scholars. If the scholars, they can get about 200,000 RMB each year. And also we need to work closely with such as CSC and our partners and Jiangsu provincial government to get more resources for our professors. And also we encourage the faculty members to publish articles in international journals and to join international academic organizations. And of course, we have all kinds of bringing plan to recruit the outstanding professors to work in Nanjing University. On the internationalization of management, we need to serve as a driving force to promote the internationalization of faculty and departments, to help the other administrative offices to deal with the international affairs, and also launch the excellent administrators overseas training program. The last part is challenges to our office. In my opinion, some of our members are lack of the understanding of the present situation and the possible development of trend of some subjects and disciplines, because of all of our members have a BA, MA, PhD backgrounds, but none has a BSc and MSc. And also, most of us are proficient only in English or German, and only a few of our staff members have international education experience. So we need to strengthen the investigation and study to know the actual needs of our faculty and departments. And last year we have visited 12 schools or departments, and this year we plan to visit the other schools or departments in order to know the actual needs of the departments. And also we need to cooperate with the other administrating offices and to do more things for the internal integration and improve efficiency and effectiveness, and also take some incentive and assessment system And also we need to give our colleagues training opportunities home and abroad to help them to improve their international vision and communications and new technology applications. Okay, that's all. Thank you.